Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore ways to improve your well-being. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: the foods that can unclog your arteries and potentially prevent a heart attack. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, but the good news is that certain foods can help keep your arteries clear and reduce your risk of heart attacks. So, without further ado, let's dive into these heart-healthy foods. First up, we have berries. These little gems are packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in your arteries, improving blood flow. Whether it's strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, incorporating a variety of berries into your diet can have a big impact on your heart health. Next on our list are leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard. These greens are not only delicious but also rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They contain nitrates, which help relax blood vessels, lower blood pressure, and support artery health. So, don't forget to load up your plate with these leafy superheroes. Now, let's talk about nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are excellent sources of healthy fats, fiber, and plant sterols. These components work together to reduce bad cholesterol levels, keeping your arteries clear and reducing the risk of plaque buildup. Remember, moderation is key when consuming nuts due to their calorie density. Speaking of healthy fats, let's not forget about avocados. This creamy and delicious fruit is full of monounsaturated fats that can help lower bad cholesterol levels. Consider adding avocado slices to your salad, spreading some on toast, or even making a refreshing guacamole. Moving on to breakfast options, we have one of the best artery-friendly choices: oatmeal. This whole grain powerhouse is rich in soluble fiber, which helps reduce the absorption of cholesterol into the bloodstream. Start your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal topped with berries for a heart-healthy and delicious meal. Now, let's dive into the sea for our next food: fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation, lower triglyceride levels, and improve overall heart health. Aim for 2 servings of fatty fish per week to reap these benefits. Last but not least, let's talk about green tea. This ancient beverage is packed with antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and reduce cholesterol levels. Sip on a cup of green tea regularly to give your arteries a healthy boost. And there you have it, folks, some of the most artery-friendly foods you can include in your diet to prevent heart attacks. Remember, a balanced and varied diet, along with regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle, is key to maintaining optimal heart health. Thank you for joining us today as we explored these amazing foods that can unclog your arteries and potentially prevent a heart attack. By incorporating berries, leafy greens, nuts, avocados, oatmeal, fatty fish, and green tea into your diet, you can take proactive steps towards maintaining a healthy heart. Remember, prevention is key when it comes to heart health. So, let's make these foods a regular part of our meals and prioritize our well-being. But always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on leading a healthy life. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Take care of your heart, and we'll see you in the next video.